Dutch prosecutors have filed an appeal against the acquittal of singer Jacure on the charge of attempted murder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Cure, whose real name is Sicator Alcock, was on March 22nd convicted of the lesser offense of attempted manslaughter in relation to the stabbing of promoter Nicardo Papa Blake over unpaid money, for which he was sentenced to 6 years in prison. We have lodged an appeal to the Court of Appeal today against the acquittal for attempted murder. No hearing has been held. In the Court of Appeal, 3 senior judges hear the entire case again. At this higher level, the trial procedure is virtually identical to that in the lower courts, press officer for the Netherlands Public Prosecution Service said. The 43-year-old singer was charged in October in relation to the stabbing incident, for which he claimed self-defense, but the court rejected his claim. According to the press officer, although the claim of self-defense was rejected, the court found Jacure not guilty of attempted murder. However, prosecutors appear to be taking aim at him once again to overturn that acquittal. During a public hearing on March 8, the prosecution said Jacure's action was premeditated and that he intended to cause wounding and harm Blake. The stabbing followed an argument over money totaling €5,000 owed to the artist by the promoter for a concert at which he performed in Melkweg. Both sides were given 2 weeks within which to bring an appeal if either party disagreed with the court's ruling. Following the court's decision, one of Jacure's lawyers said that the legal team would discuss the merit of filing an appeal. It was not immediately clear if that appeal has been launched.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!